Located in California's Central Valley along the San Joaquin River, Stockton is a city driven by industry, agriculture, and the determination of its people. From freight and logistics companies to independent retailers, repair shops, and family-run businesses, Stockton knows what it means to put in the work and deliver results. But when unexpected costs come up or new opportunities arise, waiting for traditional funding can hold you back. That's where fast, reliable capital can make all the difference. At New York Fast Funding, we help Stockton businesses access quick, hassle-free funding so you can manage operations, take on bigger jobs, and grow without delays. Whether you're expanding a fleet, upgrading equipment, or bridging a seasonal gap, we're here to keep your business moving forward. Stockton's economy is powered by resilience and momentum, and we're proud to support the entrepreneurs making that happen every day. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.